How does our favorite pet door of all time hold up to outside cold temperatures? Let's find out. Hey folks, it's Adam with Outdoor Pet Solutions. On this channel, I try to help educate folks on how to install electronic dog fencing as well as pet doors. I've been in the business for over 20 years installing these products here in the Middle Tennessee area. And there are only a handful of products that I like to install for my customers because I find them to be the absolute best for a number of reasons. And when it comes to pet doors, the top reason I prefer this one over all the other options on the market is due to its energy efficiency. And now that winter is fast approaching, I thought it'd be a good idea to do a video on testing the extreme differences in temperature from the outside to the inside of our home now that the temperatures are getting lower. And today is November 30th, and our high temperature for the day is around 42 degrees, where the low is going to be about 26. And it's currently 11:30 a.m. and we're going to go outside. We're going to take some surface readings using this infrared laser thermometer and try to get an idea of what the temps are outside at this moment, and then we'll come back inside and we're going to take measurements of the pet door against the flap, see how well it's keeping those cold temps outside, and then we'll compare that to our windows and doors of our home as well. We just recently had all our windows replaced with high energy efficient replacement windows, and I'm curious to see how well this pet door is keeping pace with the latest insulated windows that are out on the market. So let's start with stepping outside and measuring surface temperatures out there. All right. So like I said, we're going to take our infrared thermometer, laser thermometer, and we're going to go outside and take some surface readings around the pet door. The sun is coming out now, so the temps are actually coming up a little bit from earlier. Oh, here comes Savannah. What's up, girl? Coming outside? She's gonna use her ramp. It's cold out here. Oh, there she goes, playing with the leaves. Okay, hitting the deck. Deck's about 30, 31 degrees out here, right on the surface of the deck. And then kind of around the pet door, about 37 on the brick. Okay, and then let's see, pet door itself about 40 degrees, 41. So yeah, about 40 degrees around the pet door. The shaded areas were, 30, mid 30s. So now we'll go ahead and head inside and see how that compares on the inside. Savannah just went through it. So let's go ahead and hit that dead center of the flap. And we're pushing 60 degrees. Yep, 58. About 58 degrees, a little over 58 degrees on the inside. 59. Creeping up a little bit. Savannah just went through it, so it probably dropped a little bit. But we're at 60 degrees in here. And we can compare that to around, say, the doors. So I'm going to hit it on the door here, and we're exactly the same, about 60, 62. Yeah, about 62 degrees. So pretty close in comparison to the door, 60 degrees on the pet door compared to 40 degrees outside. So that's a 20 degree difference that this pet door is holding up to the exterior temps. And we'll go over here to our window. Oh, wife's been putting up the Christmas tree, so we've got the ladder out. But we're going to go ahead and hit the window here. Oh, there we go. Now we're lit up. Yep, window. These are our new replacement windows. They're right about 65. Of course, around the edge, the seal, it drops a little bit back down to 60 degrees. So comparable to The doors and windows were right on point as far as energy efficiency goes. I'm very surprised that we're still holding about 60 degrees. And mind you, Savannah had just gone through it. Every time your dog goes through the pet door, you know, it's gonna, for a moment there, allow cold air to come in, which is understandable. But as soon as these flaps lock back into place and seal nicely against the heavy duty weather stripping and those magnets lock it down, then that draft, that cold air, you can't feel it anymore. I mean, it seals up so well. And I think the thermal gun is evidence of that, that we've got a 20-degree difference from inside the home to outside, and even around our high efficiency doors and windows, we're not seeing much of a temperature difference at all, maybe 3 or 4 degrees. So very well insulated, does a great job of keeping the elements out, and that's primarily not just because of the heavy-duty weather stripping and the magnets holding the flap in place, but because it has dual flaps. There's a flap on the inside, and then there's a flap on the outside. And what it does, it traps the dead airspace in between those two flaps when they close into position, and that dead airspace holding between the flaps is what creates the insulated value that keeps those cold temps outside. If you have a single flap, you're going to be feeling all kinds of drafts and temperature differences coming in through your pet door. So again, this is the top reason why this is the pet door I prefer to install for all my customers, and why, of course, I have it in my personal home. I couldn't be happier with those results. Having a well-insulated pet door makes all the difference during these cold months. This pet door is in my dining room, and we've never once noticed any drafts or extreme temperature differences in this area of the home due to the pet door. We offer 11 different sizes of pet doors, so this is our medium model. It's 8.5 by 12.5, but they go up much bigger than that. And some folks ask, well, what about the bigger pet doors? How well do they hold up? And in my experience, they hold up as equally as well. The larger the pet door, the more magnets that are installed on the flap system, and the drafts and the hot and cold differences stay at bay just as well. If you are in the market for a pet door and you're looking for the absolute best, be sure to check out the premium pet door model on my website. It comes complete with detailed installation instructions, and I also offer on this channel a video where I walk you through how to properly install a pet door as well. The pricing that is on the website does include ground shipping via UPS direct to you. And our orders ship out lightning fast. Typically within 1 to 2 days, it's already en route to you, and you'll be installing your pet door in no time. Be sure to click the link down in the description to order yours today. And as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye.